Kentucky Wonder by Randy. We got a good little rain just a while ago, and it's trying to rain again. But we needed it. This garden was dry. Them's cherry tomatoes there. That's our pumpkins, which needed water, and fall corn. Here's our beans we was picking on yesterday. That'll help them reproduce. There's our tomatoes. There's a cucumber we let go because it was bad. And here's our cucumbers. Look here. I needed that, I guess. Cucumber. This is July the 6th, 2026. There's our peaches and cream corn. Hear the thunder. This is Eastern Kentucky. Kentucky Wonder by Randy. We got a good rain a while ago. We hadn't had a good rain. Look at them roasters coming in. Birds are singing. That'll make them cucumbers. We got cucumbers down them 2 aisles. Okra down that one. Picked through that row yesterday. Gonna string them today and can them. We still got a lot of hanging down. There's our peppers. Back to our pumpkins, our other sweet potatoes, and beets, and yellow tomatoes. He's doing good. We're gonna say bye-bye and get out of this shower before we get struck by lightning. Kentucky Wonder by Randy saying later.